All right, let me get around there. All right, let me make sure I'm past that table because I sure did put a lot of effort into painting that table. Okay, you line your line up with that first tooth, pull your guard up, and then you line your blade up the same place you got that tooth. You raise it up a little bit, start it, and then lower it. That is a plunge cut. Now I'm going to show you how to do a plunge cut with a jigsaw. Give me just a second to get everything set back up. And action. Okay, again, this is dangerous and not how these tools are supposed to be used. I'm just showing you how I do this. Okay, same thing. You start this up at a real angle like that, and you make sure your blade is on the line where you want to cut. Then you turn your saw on and you slowly tilt it back until it starts cutting on the line. But what's going to happen is the blade is going to bottom out on your cut, so you want to move this forward ever so slightly, and then as you move it forward, lower it back down. I'll show you. There you are, plunge cut. Not hard to do, but you really got to hold a firm grip, and you got to really watch your fingers because you could lose a finger real quick doing that if you were to do that against my advice. All right, let's get this cut.